when you went at this video, I will share this video. Mathias Ezeaku na afiko okuko. Ikuku na afiko okuko. Oh, can the mother fool exactly how you are manipulating our people? Mana ha yenwekwa na obolo. Efuro hakafa na ekwu maka ya. Owo no pastor keda enyegare ba mkpotu ebe niile. Yeah? That is exactly how God decided to expose your lies. You came on Facebook to do eye service. You came on Facebook to do eye service. Can they nyeruge Ghana? We feel na ha nyeruge ege no n'okwu. Can they nyeruge Ghana? We feel na ha nyeruge ego no n'okwu. I close zuo ebe figure 5 do. Go we duka ibiri ha millions of naira etu isi wekwu. Kerumgbe 5 million ji we wuru millions of naira. Eh? Ego niile ndị mmadụ kwetalu because of an ahụ. Iwolie we je lulu 4-story building. Ru agba 4-story building. Na na-achagarizi anya. Na-achọzi ka ime rob Peter to pay Paul. Nkata we kpudo. Eh? Ndị go na ha na-ekwu okwu na we chekata it on up. Ha we open one for any other potential buyer, which is normal. How can you use 5 million to secure a land of over 800 million? Are you trying to tell me that na ndem mmadụ enye buhogu over 200 million or over 300 million na that efa? Kele ebe ego ndem mmadụ nyerugo no. Ị na-emere ha eye service. Ị na-eme ha eye service. Pụta na Facebook bịa tie mkpu na ọhụrụ na ndị gola na n'aka ahụ na ha trust. Why na ha ya trust so? Ebe iji na ala ụbụrụ ha wee gwa aja. Why will they not trust you? Ebe iji na ala ụbụrụ ha wee gwa abacha. Ebe iji na ala ụbụrụ ha wee si ofe egusi were rie semo. Kedu ife ha ya eji wee kwe na-ekwe n'isi ka aga ma lizard? Kedu ife ha ya eji wee na-ekwe n'ihu n'isi ka aga ma lizard? Imagine the audacity of ịpụta na Facebook erezi alarm. Except na ịpụtalụ wee refute all this with the proper evidence. If not, ifele me wo. If not, ifele me wo. Eh? Ishe no also nwere social media platform. I nwere ike pụta ebe a tie mkpu cry ya foul. We deceive all the gullible people in deceive. Ha na-ekwekwa n'isi na ego ha kwere maka Mathias na ndị mmadụ gwuje na wayo without any evidence. Go see evidence of payment equal na 200 plot. And ele go do 1 plot 1 million. Let's go do 1 plot 1 million. Okay, 200 million. Only equal 5 million. Okay, for 195 million. If you are that you kwuo all na business rule ekwu adaga. Ha balance kwa 5 million inyeru ha. Ijebere onwe. Yes, ijebere onwe. Owulu na inakoro na ndị mmadụ ego, go and look for money and go and fulfill the obligation go na ndị mmadụ ji. He will na ndị mmadụ nyefa. Yes. He will na ndị mmadụ nyefa. He ought to go. Eshe nọọsụ ọsọ ekwutokwu real estate company ndị ọzọ ndị otu ha na-enye mkpọtụ. Isogo ghọta ka o si adụ. Isogo ghọta ka o si adụ. What it means is that no for over 1 year ka ndị mmadụ kwụrụ ụgwọ ana ahụ ha enwetabụ ha anafa. Eshe nọọsụ ọsọ ọda real estate developers. Asian nurse also ha now encounter those things. If you go the reality of life, you got to go. These are reality of life, but before you mock them as if you are a special human being. That before you go, eating is allowed, but raising a false alarm is what we cannot tolerate. We cannot sit and watch you raise a false alarm. Each and undo Umuoji. I actual platform how you do ekwu or even nature. Well, allegedly, let it be allegedly. Na fakun if you golu ha out of 200 plots is 5 million. Dispute what they have said. Refute what they have said. Obu ni go ha 100 million, 200 million, 80 suweku millions of naira. What puta ye go sinde mmadu. Tamsa hijiji Ghana. It's not something that is strange. It happens. It happens. But you need to coordinate it very well. And in a case where all these things risk and losses done a real estate business, you ought to go. Onyaw risk and losses ya do na real estate business. You go because sometimes you may go and acquire a land in welu ko si wedo. Ndenyeruge ego and achọghị. It is you who is going to bear the loss. It is you who will either repay back that money or you go and look for alternative land and give those people. But in your own case, it is even a false alarm. You raised a false alarm. You have the temerity and audacity to come to Facebook to deceive gullible people, to deceive our people na Facebook. Crying, you will go to any length. Imaho Nandu Umuoji will look for a way to air out their own view. Imalo no nwere ka idewela ahụ not na media ni nwere upper hand na media. Therefore ịpụta ha akwu okwu ndị otu ga-enyewe mkpọtụ ichekwa n'ebe a ha ejugo bla 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 oga ọwụrụ na iji ego ndị mmadụ wee jelu 4-story building, go and look for their money, give them back their money, or you go and look for land and give them. Yes. Genye ego ha na ọwụrụ na mbibika ije gbalụ na ịma interest ego na ya kwụ n'enwe elo 4-story building mepeye mepeye doila ihe n'ihu akwụkwọ ọwụrụ okpuru ọra ndị Igbo ụmụ okoke a na-eso ga-amapụta okpuru ọra jikwa wee mee nke a. I want you people to come. Let us talk about this issue of Mathias. Kelebe jike moment of truth nọ kelebe ndị otu nọ bịanụ. Let us talk about this. Ọwụrụ onye ọzọ kịta ụna akpara akpara mụrụ amụrụ unu eme justice for ndị mmadụ. Justice for the matter. The fact of the matter is that he came out and he cried foul that Nando bidding millions of naira will secure 200 plus of land in Umuoji. Nanda wayo. He mentioned names. Imagine the audacity of mentioning names of people when you know that those people will honor how you do. Except I am still giving you a benefit of doubt of proving us wrong. Come and prove what JPAC said wrong. Yes, I'm not saying that it is what happened, but so far so good. If you don't want to dispute it, what it means is that if you don't want to dispute it, what it means how are you going to do that? Go send them mado a payment. Go send them mado sleep millions of naira because he pushiri ebe afọ mi fi na ekpuchiri figure ekwuru mmadụ. Real estate business is not a one kobo business. So kerifi na ekpuchiri figure figure ebe ege ekwuru mmadụ fulefu mmadụ lili fulefu iwepụta na public domain. Why are you kerifi na ekpuchiri the figure na only one skeleton in your cupboard to deceive the gullible people nyelu ego ya dey disturb okeda? Shock you put na public itie mkpu ka ndị mmadụ fụ na na-ekwu ife na-eme ka ha gbanyụzie ọkụ hapụ ka ejebezie court because ikwugo na onwe real estate company ya bụ ebe ahụ dị afọ na unu ya ejegido court jee court 10 years ndị agha na-echewu for 10 years. All format now go all format anyị ma format ya that format cast already unless or except he prove ife JPAC kwuru otherwise because o kwuchara ya debe sleep go sele. If you 5 million, now I am asking people 85 million naira what 200 plus of land. Even nebe Kerimo Bodo de Fana and Igbo. Every age 5 million, we go 200 plus of land. Where is that? Go say agreement. Power of attorney Ijuwego Hana. Yes, go say power of attorney Ijuwego Fana. I am asking you. Go say power of attorney Ijuwego Fana. Go say proof of payment Ijuwego Hana. In fact, this is the case. It was just so easy for anybody to prove within 1 second on Facebook. Yes, I have even a kuwezuku. Ndemada do convince even a kuwezuku. Otherwise, you are exposing wayo in a bundeba since. I'm a buchadisio. Hayafuye. Because I football many of them. JPAC Kuge, Hamechisiono. Oh no, maka Ebukobi, or maka Chinwikobi, or maka any other pastor, ka JPAC Kurukita. If you do 20, Buganebe, JPAC raise go a very important issue now. We are waiting for you people. Kunu Tiono, Keleji can make justice for the mother, justice for the mother. Okura is a scammer. Okura Bunda Mother Wayonana, Okura Melinka, Kelebu no, Unemetisha no. Oh, I know on Facebook. I'm active since on our tono. I'm active since on our told, but Ezeaku is coming back again in full force. I'm coming back again in full force. You other go, all the people who shake it on me. Thank you very much. Nda shake it on me. I see they can pay. You other go. We are waiting for Mathias Ezeaku closely at the issue of this land. Since you decided not to show us how transparent you do, now the running of your NGO, we are going to monitor you and see how transparent you do in the running of this real estate business. You think we are going to sit down and watch you? It didn't run. Ebiana raise here for salam. Ndenyezige Ghana. And Orusie, Dewezie Hona and Agolu, mathematical one mama. No, ku, Kejebezi oku ye. Hanapuzie, a man and Umuoji, ye play a fast one on you. They came out immediately to debunk what you said. Now we are waiting for you. JPAC gave evidence. We are waiting for you. Yes, we are waiting for you to come and counter Ife JPAC. In fact, he gave you 48 hours. He gave you 48 hours, and I stand with that 48 hours. After 48 hours, oh, maybe how debunk it means in Ezeaku. A man and car wall kolako, okugako. Go and look for a land here in Iguana, or you refund them back their money. Happened to Umuoji in age of 5 million ago 200 plus of land. Where Umuoji in Kenny, Umuoji or Wimobudo, or where Umuoji in Kenny. You ought to go, or Umuoji in Kenny. I understand the level, the kind of business and even a real estate. A lot of people know more now. Galoha. Yes, he may in Keyu, he can not condemn Madego, he will hear Januno, he will hear Nazalo Dogu, he will hear expand the business. Nyambo na magic in a mezikita and we go to Wedo from a couple one tipper, only way no standby, and it was like 5 tippers or 6 tippers a quapo, or say Jimmy pay cash shop, or say Jimmy Fedine, or Zalogari office. All these things do suspicious. You can't take it away. Manando to una kologa ka wuri ka hane gosi ai na yade mo fuma managwa da wa go ai. But this is the time we are going to demand accountability from you. You ought to go come and show yourself approved. Or carry here to her. I stand with JPAC. 48 hours. We are waiting for you. Water sleep Ijuweku ndu Umuoji millions of naira in echo. Unu chano go agwamono na go na those days in Mwelu access to media. Today, anybody can have access to media even from their own house. Inweho platform you have a platform that can give you attention and people will still hear you. Okay, here to 48 hours, still counting.